How to create videos with ChatGPT 5.6. ChatGPT 5.6 can't render video files directly, but it's your creative director. Here's how to use it to plan, script, and produce videos for free. So start by asking ChatGPT to write a scene-by-scene script. So for example, I want ChatGPT to write a 3-minute faceless tutorial on setting up Grok 4.5. Send your command and you'll get narration, pacing, and editing cues. Now, next, request a storyboard. ChatGPT can break down visuals, intro overlays, step highlights, and outro transitions. Polish narration into natural lines, record with free tools like Audacity or use AI voice apps. For faceless content, import your script and audio into free editors like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or Canva. Add stock footage, screen recordings, or animations. ChatGPT can generate image prompts for thumbnails or cut-ins, combined with free stock video sites like Pexels or Pixabay. Finally, export in formats for YouTube, TikTok, or Reels. Use ChatGPT again to craft titles, descriptions, and hashtags. ChatGPT 5.6 is perfect for scripting and planning. Pair it with free editors to bring your videos to life.